Okay, so let's pick up where we left off. It keeps getting really quiet when I turn the camera off, other than the fish tank. That is incredibly loud. Oh my gosh, it sounds really louder on the camera than it actually is. Sometimes on a computer, that's why. Let's see if we get closer. That hurt. I just kicked the fan. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's see if we open this. Let's see if we can be able to see it. You heard that, right? I'm not the only one hearing this. Let's just listen. By the way, the TV's muted right now, but that's on, so if stuff's changing colors, that's why. I'm watching BBC actually, because that's all I watch ever. It just got really quiet again. You heard it though, so you can't say I'm lying. You saw that. You saw it. At least I think you did. I'm looking into like the rain. I don't know if you can, but there's like rain streaks. It's like 1 a.m. and there's a storm going on outside, and I'm the only one awake, but we're about to leave, go to the airport now, pick up my sister. That one I know you saw. I know you saw that one. I know you did. I know you did. I know you saw that. There was no sound to that one though. I know you saw that. I know you saw that. Okay. I'm gonna stop filming now. I have proof. I have video proof that that happened. It happened. Okay? Bye. Wait, let me turn the camera off. No.